Today's positive trading in the Dow showed an extremely strong bullish pattern. Notice the indecisive trading, the spinning top slash doji that occurred on the Dow or on the S&P, on the 50-day moving average on Friday. Today they gapped up. That's your best friend signal. That's one of your most powerful reversal signals, number one. Number two, notice where it occurred. Broke out through this downtrending channel of this wedge that had been forming in the Dow. This provides new information that the investor sentiment that was caught in this wedge formation has now broken out. The probabilities are extremely strong that we're now in wave 3, the same magnitude as this wave right here. Add the fact that the NASDAQ did a kicker signal off the T-line back up toward the resistance level is still a good indication. Again, the kicker signal is the strongest of the individual candlestick reversal signals. This tells you there's been a dramatic change of investor sentiment. Anytime you see a kicker signal, the probabilities are very strong that the uptrend will continue. You apply that same analysis to an individual stock chart, like our recommendation recently on BAK. You can see the fry pan bottom. You can see you're right here at this resistance level, and you got there with a kicker signal. This makes it very simple. If they open this positive, confirming the kicker signal and breaking out through this level, that we have another strong potential price move. This is merely taking the information that we know that is built into each candlestick signal and applying it to a pattern that we recognize what the results should be. In this case, a fry pan bottom has the results of a very strong price move breakout. We can also take advantage of very strong price move breakouts like we see in TEVA, T-E-V-A. There's your best friend signal, doji gap up. That usually is a prelude to a very strong price move. This is why we call it your best friend signal. Anytime you see indecisive trading, especially with an ending with a doji, and they gap it up, that tells you not only is this indecisiveness over, but the new decision is very strong, moving to the upside. That same scenario was illustrated last week playing NLNK when it did a best friend signal gap up. And notice where it came from, out of this fry pan bottom, producing very strong price moves. Knowing what each signal or pattern represents allows investors to immediately pinpoint which trades have the strongest upside potential. That will be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.